third quarter of this game, Tagbilaran versus Hagna Junior Division. Unsa imong prediction ani second half?
So Brother Adriano, this is a very jump-packed game. So since ganina yun, very action-filled atong game karon. Fast breaks, 3-pointers, grabe yun. Ang atong prediction ani depende pa yun kay this is a very long ball game, only a 6-point lead for Tagbilaran. Pero if they continue to play their A game and bring out their best, murag sila kita mo daog. Pero if Hagna hits their 3-pointers, then this will have a ball game.
Okay, thank you, Brother Mon. Here we go, back to the action. Third quarter of this game, Tagbilaran versus Hagna. Jump shot from Tagbilaran, 2 points. From Mr. Bautista, number 9. Number 1, jump shot. Bang! Pinawi agad.
Trading baskets to baskets. Kuya A.
Yes, 53-47 in favor of Tagbilaran City. Murata. Murata, nice pass sa gilid. Luciliano, galing nun.
What a nice pass.
Yes, 2 points, Mr. Luciliano.
Kani yun sila Luciliano, Murata, Kuya A. Wrong na like connection, you know?
Yes,
in terms of passing.
Number 1, not good. Oh! My God! Number 14, not good. Ball position of Tagbilaran City. Sayang to no, rebound ng tato sa Tagbilaran. Gibihaan pag ganyan, pero okay na. Na-turnover.
Yung turn back na si Luciliano, ready for offense. Sabi niya, na-rebound na sa kauban.
Oo na, kasagara, yun nagdali, nagkabali. Hinahira. Oh,
pareha to Kuya A.
Oh,
kadali.
sleeping on the line. 9 minutes remaining for the third quarter. 55-47. Number 77 to number 1. Back to number 77. To number 14, Hamora. Sa gilid. Hagna for 3. Bang! Nothing but net from Hagna.
Very wide open shot for Hagna. Waman lang may close out sa Tagbilaran defense.
Yes, Murata to number 9. Number 9, Bautista, jump shot, not good. Rebound from Hagna. To number 17, number 1, nag-isa, block. Mr. Murata, nice block. Oh, out. Hagna, Tagbilaran's ball.
So, well-played defense for Tagbilaran that time for the almost fast break score for Hagna.
Inbound of Mr. Makua. Makua looking for his teammates. To number 3, Abing. Dribbling the ball, Mr. Abing. Intercepted. Oh, what was that? Slipping on the line again.
Lane violation.
Another turnover for Team Tagbilaran.
Hagna's ball.
And as you can see in the court, Kuya A, full court press na pod ang Tagbilaran.
Yes. Oh, foul. Foul from Tagbilaran.
Jersey number 26 of Makwa of Tagbilaran. Third personal foul, Makwa.
Foul, Mr. Makua.
First team foul.
This game is brought to you by the provincial governor in Bohol, number 17.
15-second shot clock.
Oh,
Another costly turnover
Substitution
from Tagbilaran. Wa man lang yun maklaro og rebound ni Luciliano.
8 minutes and 9 seconds remaining, 55-50 in favor of Tagbilaran City. Inbound number 14 from Hagna, Hamura. Galing! 2 points, number 1. Yes, dali ra kay giapas, Brother Louie.
Mo gyud kay anybody's ball game gyud. Di ka kumpiyansa og abot og 10 imong lead unsa ba? This is a championship game.
Tinod, number 1 rebound. Nakuha ni Mr. Murata. Murata on the drive, side step attempt, not good. Murata pa rin. Murata, not good. Sayang. Rebound Mr. Hamura to number 20. 20, Bero. Nice dribble. Bero, nice defense from Tagbilaran.
step out of bounds.
Out of bounds, ball position of
16
Hagna.
seconds shot clock.
Although wala to ma-complete ang ilang steal attempt sa Tagbilaran, that was still a well-played defense considering na it was a 3-on-1 fast break attempt from Hagna.
Tinod. Inbound from number 39, Nunez of Hagna to number 20, Bero. Bero to Mr. Hamura, number 14. Hamura for 3. Iyay! Di pumasok. Oh, nice defense. Murata on the drive. There's a foul from Hagna.
Foul on jersey
Foul number 39, Mr. Nunez
39
of Hagna.
Two free throws.
Grabe, challenge nga tapal to ni Mr.
Second
Nunez.
personal foul, Nunez.
Kabalota nga kana si Mr. Murata.
First team foul.
Finisher gina siya pag about sa mga layup o mga uban mga attempt nga shot.
Yes, Kuya A. Pero for Hagna, no easy baskets. Dapat i-earn yun mo ang mong basket sa free throw.
O nag-iingon dapat mo sacrifice o ka kay kung why sacrifice. Unsa man? Why shot? Ayan.
Shout out Deko ni Ma'am Leslie Butron and Sir Clyde Kahatian of the City Mayor's Office of Tagbilaran.
Ayan, second throw, Mr. Murata. Not good. Rebound, Mr. Abing. Agawan ng bola. Nakuha sa Hagna. Number 14. Nakuha na Mr. Abing. Nice pass to Luciliano. Easy. Oh! Sayang nga, Toy. Apel ko, nagdahom. Gawa shot.
Easy basket na unta.
Oh! Turnover from Hagna.
Out of bounds, Tagbilaran.
Kung nag-iingon ka, di ka magdahom. Kung magdahom ka, masakitan na lagi ka. Sa parehato.
Parehas, sayang.
Parehato. Abi na to, mo shot na. Wa di ay.
Very
Diba?
open. Ya duol kaya sa basket.
Tinod. Oh! Turnover from Tagbilaran. Nunez on the run. To Bero, number 20, 4-3. In and out. Rebound from Tagbilaran. Tagbilaran on the run. Number 4. Nice pass to number 19. Murata jump shot. Bang!
Reyes Murata.
2 points, Mr. Murata, number 19.
6 minutes and 34 seconds remaining in the third quarter. And
Number 17 dribbling the ball.
both
7
teams are trading baskets.
Jump shot for 3. Hagna, not good. Rebound from Tagbilaran. Tagbilaran on the run. Number 4. Mr. Custan dribbling to Mr. Murata. Murata jump shot. Bang!
Reyes Murata.
Back-to-back points from Mr. Murata.
Mid-range game is on for Mr. Horace Morata.
Grabe. Mo nag-iingon niya. Duwa din niya. Duwa on tani. Number 1. Mr. Salarda to number 17. 17 dribbling.
10 seconds.
Nice pass sa gilid. Jump shot. Not good. Rebound from Hagna. 39 Nunez. Kuna.
Jake Nunez.
The big guy of Hagna.
2 points,
Converts.
Mr. Nunez.
And easy 2.
Number 4, Custan. Dribbling the ball to Mr. Murata. Murata. Pick. Nice pass to Luciliano. Murata. Again.
Luciliano Morata connection.
Kita na to nga na teamwork si Luciliano ug si Murata sa Tagbilaran team. Nunez on the drive. Wow.
Jake Nunez.
Easy basket from Mr. Nunez, number 39.
Team Hagna is not backing down.
62-56 in favor of Tagbilaran City. Custan. Nice defense from number 17. Hamora. Hamora. Bang!
George Hamora.
2 points, Mr. Hamora.
And winner down to 4 points lead sa Tagbilaran.
Number 4, Custan. To Mr. Abing, number 3. Abing for 3. Not good. Rebound from Hagna. To Mr. Hamora, number 14. Hamora dribbling. Hamora to Mr. Bero. For 3. Not good pa rin. Bero pa rin. Bang!
Vince Bero.
Pinawi ni Mr. Bero. Kung nag-ingon niya, kung di kaya sa 3, alit na sa 2.
And that was a lousy play for Tagbilaran. Ang hingit sa og 3 points, mapagiging pa offensive rebound.
Tinod. Nako ni Mr. Murata. Murata to Abing. Abing to
10
Mr.
seconds
Luciliano.
to go.
Jump shot. Connect. Mr. Luciliano.
Luciliano.
2 points of Mr. Luciliano. Hamora. Hamora number 14. Hamora drive. Foul.
Foul is
Mr.
called
Luciliano.
against
Foul on
Luciliano.
jersey number 10, Nico Luciliano. Third personal foul, Luciliano. Second team foul. Substitution. Pasagan for Costan. Galolo for Golondrina. Hamila for Bero.
Brother Moon.
So no, Brother Adrian, down to a 4-point lead by Hagna. So ang ilang ganin nakaigo si Bero og 3. And
Yes.
then after hitting a 3-pointer, they also unlock the running game. Hamora with a fast break and the layups. So now, what Tagbilaran needs to do is to counter with the same strategy, with the running game. Fast breaks, layup, so they can pull away in this game.
Ayan, thank you, Brother Moon. So, nagay estilo pod ang Hagna mga igala para maapsa nila ang lead sa Tagbilaran. First throw, Mr. Hamura connect. Second throw. Not good. Rebound. Oh.
So, there was a call from official Sir Barnett Tatad with regards to the unnecessary motion from the player of Team
Requesting
Hagna.
our player to please proceed to your benches and please observe proper bench decorum.
So, as you can see, in the center court, QA, the officials are discussing on the matter that just happened kanina.
Yan, so nakita ginato nga gisiguro gyud sa atong mga referee nga ang ilang mga tawag dili gyud ma-question pod sa atong mga player o sa coaches.
Yes, QA. And this is an official timeout. Let's hear from the official himself kung unsay tawag.
Unsportsmanlike foul on jersey number 16, Galolo of Hagna.
Mr. Galolo, unsportsmanlike
Two
foul.
free throws plus
Yes.
From Hagna.
opposition.
Yes, QA. And this will lead to two free throws. Two free throws for Team Tagbilaran due to that unsportsmanlike foul by Galolo of Team Hagna.
Number 10, Ranieses for Galolo. Warning
So,
for
these
this
are
qualification jersey
muna
number
yung
16,
technical free
Galolo.
throws, QA.
Second team foul.
So, walay mo rebound.
Connect.
Morata converts the
It's
first free
a
throw.
2 free throws plus ball position, no?
Yes, QA. Two free throws plus ball possession for Team Tagbilaran due to that unsportsmanlike foul. So, inga na ka-transparent ang ato ang officiating dire sa Governor's Cup, no? Ila yung i-explain sa player. Kung makabantay ka pag hitabua, giduol yun ni Sir Barnett Tatad, ang player, i-explain niya ngano na ang
Na
isa
foul.
tawgan o
Ah.
unsportsmanlike foul.
Ayan, shout out sa atong almost 10,000 live viewers. Mga igala, salamat sa inyong suporta. Abing, nice pass sa gilid. Connect from Tagbilaran. 3 minutes and 49.
Sabe.
Oh, nice defense from Tagbilaran. To Mr. Murata, number 19. Murata, nice pass to Abing. Wow, nice pass. Kandeng.
What a teamwork play by Team Tagbilaran.
Grabe ang connection sa player sa Tagbilaran. Nakuha ni Mr. number 12 to number 1, Salarda. Wow, not good. To number 19, Murata on the drive. What a nice shot from Mr. Murata.
What a drive by Morata. And now, the coach of Team Hagna calls a timeout for that incredible run by Team Tagbilaran.
Ayan, napatime out ang Hagna, Brother Louie, tungod sa paspaspod sa duwa sa Tagbilaran, no?
Yes.
And of course, ang ilang depensa, wanay kaya nila nakita tungod sa, I don't know, pressure and pagpaningkamot po, makuha yun ang bola.
Yes, Kuya A. And kanto nga run sa Tagbilaran. All started due to the unsportsmanlike foul na nakomit ni Galolo sa Hagna. So, and at this stage of the league, at this stage of the tournament, dapat utukan juga mo duwa sa player. Di ka magpada sa pressure sa duwa, di ka magpada sa imong emotions kay gamayng sipyat. Pwede na makalid to a run sa imong kontra.
Tinod, Brother Louie. Brother Moon.
So, Brother Adriano, coming from our statistician again, Horace Morata, almost half of his team points. Out of the 72 points, 34 points nakaroon si Morata. So, grabe ganun yung magipakita. Superstar of Tagbilaran City, varsity player of PMI Bohol. And then, he's really showing that what it takes to win in the game 1 of the finals.
Tinod, 34
34
points.
points, 72.
Almost half.
Almost half, grabe.
Grabe. Grabing pagpaningkamot ni Mr. Murata. 3 minutes and 12 seconds remaining. Oh,
And a steal for Team Tagbilaran.
Abing on the drive, not good. Rebound from number 5 of Hagna to number 1, Salarda.
Out of bounds. Tagbilaran's ball.
Kaning duwa yun sa juniors kay hangak kay tanawon. Kay grabe si isig back and forth ang isig daganay.
Panagingon yung mga baskog pa kayong tuhod.
Kita nga urag idara na magtanaw urag kitay hangakon.
Number 16.
15-second shot clock.
16. Nice pass. Oh, intercepted. Nice defense from Mr. Murata. Number 5. Wow, easy basket from Hagna.
Vanessa Larga.
2 minutes and 31 seconds remaining for the third quarter. 72-63 in favor of Tagbilaran City.
15-second shot.
Number 19, Murata. Murata dribbling. Turn around. Jump shot. Galing but not good. Ball position of Hagna.
Substitution.
So compare sa first 2 quarters no. Utokan na muduwa ang mga players karon. Dili na kay sila palahalas ng depensa kay 2 minutes na pero 2 team fouls pa ang each team.
Tinood. So, mo ilang gi-adjust nga di kay sila mo hilabot. Hamura for 3. Not good. Rebound from Hagna to number 12. Hamila.
10 seconds.
Hamila, nice pass. What was that? Foul from Mr. Abing, number 3 of
Foul
Tagbilaran.
on jersey number 3, Abing.
That's the third team foul for Tagbilaran
3 team fouls.
with 1 minute and 58 seconds remaining in the third quarter.
Number 9 to number 5 to number 12, Mr. Hamila.
10
To
seconds.
number
shot
14,
clock.
Hamura. Dribbling. Hamura for 3. Not good. Sayang.
Substitution. Makwa for Abing.
So
Kaduha
Abing,
tong attempt ni Mr.
1
Hamura.
minute and 48
yes kay
seconds.
and Makwa comes in for Abing for Team Tagbilaran.
Number 26, Makua. To number 16, Mr. Pasagat.
15 seconds shot clock.
Pasagat. To Mr. Murata. Murata, jump shot. Connect, Mr. Murata.
Murata.
2 points, Mr. Murata. 1 minute and 25 seconds. Murata again. Murata on the run. Back to back points
Reyes Murata.
from Mr. Murata. Number 9 to number 5 from Hagna. Number 9 to number 14, Hamura. So number 10, back to Mr. Hamura. Number 14 on the
15
drive.
seconds shot clock.
Pasa sa gilid. Number 9 for 3. Not good. Rebound from Hagna.
Foul.
There's a whistle.
Foul on jersey number
Grabe ang crowd dire sa Bohol Wisdom Gym Kuya A.
14.
And
First personal
hingabot na sa gawas
Warning for
sa
penalty
Bohol
by
Wisdom
Tagbilaran.
Gym. Ang crowd.
And of course, shout out sa
1
atong
minute and 3
almost,
seconds.
natigid kay almost lapas pa sa 10,000 live viewers sa atong Facebook Live
1
karon.
minute.
Brother Louie,
10
Salamat
seconds.
sa mga suporta kaninyo. And again,
2 points.
dili
Babae.
ini possible without the efforts of the provincial
20
government of
seconds.
Bohol headed by Governor Aris Aumentado.
Ayan, Mr. Pasagat, number 16 to number 26, Mr. Makua. Makua for 3, Tagbilaran. Connect! 3 points from Tagbilaran, Mr. Bautista. Number 5, nice pick. Block from number 14. Loose ball, ball position of
31
Hagna.
seconds.
So,
31 seconds remaining for the third quarter, 79-65 in favor of Tagbilaran.
hingbalon na ang lead sa Tagbilaran. 14 points.
Number 5 to number 14, Mr.
15
Hamura.
seconds shot clock.
Hamura, pasa sa gilid. Number 12, nice pass. Number 9, block. Foul.
Foul. Foul on jersey number 16, Pasagat. First personal foul, Pasagat. Tagbilaran on
22
penalty.
seconds remaining for the third
22
quarter.
seconds.
79-65 in favor of Tagbilaran. First row, not good.
So karon no, Brother Adrian, ang Tagbilaran yun, slowly pulling away. 14-point lead na. So ginahinay na ginila ganina. Very close game. Pero karon murag gihangat ng hagna nakita nato. And then Horace Murata scoring many points as he could to bring Tagbilaran to victory.
Sayang ang 3 points sa hagna, wamang sod, Brother Mon. So moto'y dapat nilang i-improve.
20 seconds.
20 seconds remaining for the third quarter. Hagna. Nag-double team na. Nakuha ni Mr. Bautista, number 9. Bautista
10 seconds.
to Mr. Makua. Makua. Nice defense from Hagna. Number
5
12.
seconds.
Hamila. Attempt. Not good. Oh, sayang.
So that's the end of our third quarter, Kuya A, with 79-66 in favor of Tagbilaran.
Tagbilaran